Yeah, hi everyone.
Yes, Mohit.
Can you hear me and see me?
Yeah. We are hearing Mohit and Pete together. It's a deadly combination for the group.
Then a three combination. Yeah, Sahu also. Sahuji also.
And Mohit does it in lightning speed. Somebody wants this, he does it.
Yeah, I must say, the expertise of the group is like एकदम breakout कर चुका है आज वो green big candle के साथ. So, and Ram also mentioned we should change the group name to FII now. so I
So
100%
Mr. Sriram, okay.
Yeah.
There are so many Rams, so I got confused.
Yeah, Mr. Sriram. Okay, so I hope everybody is still there, and it's 12:45, so I'll be very quick in my presentation, and all of you must have used already my indicator. If someone has not, then all doubts would be cleared now, and otherwise you also, after the presentation, you can WhatsApp me, I can help you out. So the topic is again M-score. I've already put up a video on my YouTube channel. So just to simplify things, because I was getting a lot of WhatsApp messages and it was getting very difficult to individually reply and help people. Because I learned that people are not very tech savvy and they need a little bit of handholding to understand and apply things on TradingView. Some are really very new on TradingView itself. So it was necessary to create a video and have this session so that it's easier for everyone. So I must start my session with saying that FNO trading is just like a game of chess, right? To win, you have to make a move, and how to make a move is something which is an art yet that we must learn. And nobody said this; I just made it up. So I want to keep things a little light because already a lot of heavy stuff has
so you have to put that as hyphen Mohit Kakar, that's going to be famous, man.
maybe yeah. Okay, so keeping things again light, I want to have a very light disclaimer this time. So this presentation is all official views of my words that comes in my head. Even sleeping, I think of call and put everywhere. So I'm often wrong, right? So this is me, and these are my words shouting. Opinions are my own, and you guys shouldn't take it very seriously. And because even I don't take things very seriously. I'm not a research analyst, so it's this indicator and whatever. If you're going to buy and selling, so please make sure you discuss with your experts and financial research analysts. This is all free work. I don't intend to charge anything on. People do charge money for a lot of indicators, files and stuff, but and ये कोई holy grail नहीं है. It's just an indicator. Indicator is something that will just indicate you what seems to be happening or what could happen. So it's just अगर we are blind, so it's just like अंधे को एक लाठी का सहारा. And जिसके पास लाठी है, then भैंस भी उसी की, बुल भी उसी का, right? So, and during this presentation or indicator, no animals were harmed. All bull, bear, and kangaroo, they're still there in the market. So the purpose is, what is the purpose of this presentation? अभी Friday का बाद सबका photo ऐसा हो गया है, right? What has happened? And I want to leave my presentation with you guys being happy, because you got something and you learned something. There should be always some learning, and then only happiness comes. At least our time was not wasted. Half an hour also matters these days, right? So whenever it rains, you need to look for rainbows, and whenever it's dark, you look for stars. Maybe Divya sir has mentioned it's very dark. Unka template bhi dark tha. So it's time to look for some stars out there. So coming to M-score. So you see, you have to analyze yourself as a king, right? So I'll keep this whole thing like a story mode so that it's very easy to understand what message I'm trying to convey. So this black thing is the king on the chessboard. And all these indicators, these soldiers and pawns, these are your indicators, right? So king need to know which indicator or all this, how the soldiers has to be used in the battle, so that once he knows what are the qualities and pros and cons of each of these indicators, then he has to use his resources very meticulously in the battlefield. And to do all that, we need to first understand how and what are all the indicators, and that can probably help you. I'm using a word probably, so that can probably help you win the battle in the battlefield. Okay, so this is not an indicator. I'm just trying to say what is the battle here? The battle is between a bull and a bear, right? This is the red candle, this is the green candle. Here the action is happening, the price action is happening in the candles. So that is the battle. And the weapons fired is the volumes. Jitna zyada volumes hai, utna zyada gola barud is firing across. Now the queen of the whole thing in FNO world is open interest. And this is something I look very, give very high importance to. And in my previous session, I shared an Excel file, and then we also saw a heat map where, we discuss what is long buildup, what is short covering, what is short buildup, and what is long unwinding. Basically, in teen combinations, everything is concluded upon. I don't want to repeat all that again. I think members now understand what is these four categories are, and these four categories are made up with price, volume, and the open interest only. Okay, so this open interest has to given more weightage, and this is not part of the indicator because TradingView doesn't get the open interest data. So this is something you need to open a separate tab, maybe like an ICICI Direct tab on your Chrome browser. The last thing is the territory. See, territory is equal to RSI, relative strength. If RSI is above like 50, so we are in a bull trend, and we are in a bull territory, where the bulls have the upper hand. In RSI is below 50 or maybe 45, we can have considerable zones, plus and minus. So then we are in a bear territory. Okay, so these are the four indicators, the initial ones. Then comes the main ones, which the M score is made up of. Now, in the game of chess, the bishop is relative strength. This is not RSI, this is relative strength. For those who doesn't understand relative strength is basically your stock divided by the broader market, which is index equal to Nifty or Bank Nifty. If your stock is outperforming, then we have a relatively good strength. If not, then it is underperforming. And then the second one is night. Night is like a super trend. And now why, chessboard may like ghoda, 2 steps front and then 1 step either. So that is how super trend is equal to a night, because super trend will also go with the trend, and then will take 1 step up, then will again go 1 step ahead, and like it will keep on trailing the whole trend, right? I think everyone must have seen super trend. We can always see again. And then Rook is ADX. ADX is something which is very powerful. When ADX is rising, that means there is momentum building up. So I given a name ADX equivalent to Rook on the chessboard. Then the last one is, it can be EMA or volume weighted moving average. So I have given equivalent to pawn, because that is also something which will help us stay in the trend, or define this strength of the trend, ongoing trend. Now there can be various strategies, and we all understand, we are all learned about FNO world right these days. So there can be bullish strategies, bull call spread, bull put spread. These are all hedge strategies. Similarly, for a bearish view, you can have a bear call spread, bear put spread, and non-directional, you can put up an iron condor, iron fly, or a butterfly. Now, all these are hedge strategies, and the best thing is you need to have very low margin for it. And you don't need to worry about what VIX is going to do. It's going to be 25 tomorrow or 30. And whatever, if a crash is going to happen as well, your maximum loss is defined only. And then I always say, when then abnormalities comes in the market, that is the moment we need to look at, like आपदा में अवसर, वो problem में what is the benefit we can make out of it. Let's say you have a bull caught spread, 10% lower circuit lag gaya. So 10% lower circuit पे you can add one lot or you can do. Now we learned a pyramiding strategy, or so many things we are learning daily. So you have to use that as an opportunity, right? Because आपका hedge strategy में loss is defined. So I'm keeping things very simple here because these are very easy to execute, very low margin requirement, and इनको adjust करना भी बहुत easy है if someone knows the adjustment. And in the unfavorable move also, one can adjust these positions and do a little bit of firefighting and come out with net profit, with small profit or a very small loss, or no profit, no loss, right? So it gives a feeling like वाह मोदी जी वाह ये तो best चीज है, right, करने के लिए. But the problem is करे तो करे क्या? अभी इतना कुछ है तो समझे कैसे, करे तो करे क्या, करे तो करे कब? These are all of us, right? We get always confused. Now करने के लिए we need to first, करना क्या है उसके लिए we need to first form a view. Now I have defined bullish, bearish and neutral views with some set of indicators that we discussed. One is open interest. If open, some background, okay. If open interest shows you long build up or short covering, that is equivalent to the heaviest weightage I will put in my view. Then comes RSI. If RSI is above 50 and between 50 to 75 or max till 80, it is under the territory is under bull. We are under bullish territory. The volume is in increasing trend, or 1 or 2 or 3 days before there was a sudden sharp spike that has, the weighted average of the volumes has increased. So the trend should be increasing for the volumes. Then all other soldiers that we have, like relative strength, it should be outperforming. Super trend should be in the buying side. There should be a rising momentum, and the candle should be, if you are on the buying side, then the candle should be above. VWMA should be below the candle, and candle should be above the candles. So this whole thing as a whole defined a bullish view for me. Okay. Now the opposite of it defines the bearish view. When you see short being built up or longs being unwinded in the open interest data or in the heat map that we see, so that is a bearish kind of a formation in the FNO, in that FNO stock. If it is trading below 50 and it is above 20 or 25 but below 50, then the RSI is in a bearish territory. Again, the volume remains same, right? The volume should be again increasing for us, because if you are taking a bearish view, we need to have that selling momentum should building up. So volume should be again increasing. These volumes things remain same across the two sides. Then Soldier says the RSI is the RS relative strength should be underperforming, right? Your stock is underperforming as compared to the Nifty. Then super trend should be in selling side. ADX should be again on the rising side. Again, like volumes, this ADX should be on the rising side, because ADX rising is equivalent to momentum building up. Now momentum can be built on both sides, on buying side and also on the selling side as well. So we need volumes. We need it should also look like it's happening with some momentum there, right? If we are taking like bull call spread, if we are any debit spread we take, we don't want to sit idle. Debit spread will lose eventually money out, and only credit spread will give you some theta benefit. If you are forming a view, then it better makes sense to go with a debit spread. I'll discuss that later on. Then last part is the pawn, which is the VWMA. It should be above the candle. Okay. Now the thing is, all these ideas are always there in our mind, but how to put things into a perspective is what something was required. Now this is where the M-score comes in. So what I've done is all the logics and everything, all these rules, I put in a code and put that in an M-score indicator I've shared. Okay, so I'll show what is M-score and how does it look like. And apart from M-score, I've put some additional stuff like multi-time frame price action, how the candles on weekly and daily and monthly are forming. It's a bull candle or a bear candle. It's going up. It's an inside candle, or it's going down with back-to-back 2 candles. So that is something when we look at. Usually, everyone looks at daily and then weekly, and some people go to hourly time frame on the positional strategies. Right? I'm not talking about intraday strategies, positional strategies. So that is where, if you get a view on the chart on that, what all my multi-time frame parameters of this particular script is saying, then that helps you build a strong view. Then this dashboard is a complete 360-degree view, because you will see the price action candles. You will see what was the stock all-time high, all-time lows. If it is trading at all-time highs, that means there is a good amount of strength. The momentum is on the upper side. If it's trading near the all-time lows, the relative strength is very low. Or as Pete sir mentioned, that the percentage low would be like 0%, some of the examples we just discussed, like Bajaj Auto, for example. And then I've also given some dynamic support and resistance lines, which will help you define if a stock is at the higher percentage strength or a lower percentage strength as well. And where, let's say if it has a lower percentage strength, then it makes sense to do that pyramiding strategy. Start the pyramiding. If it is trading at the higher percentage, and it will be with this indicator, it will be visible on the chart itself. You have a sheet, of course, it will going to filter you and stuff, but also on the chart, if you want to see the price level visually, if you want to see things, so that is where the dynamic support and resistance lines will tell you where it is right now. If it is below in the lower zones where the percentage strength is low, it is good to start the pyramiding buying. If it is on the upper side, then it is, and then if it is on the upper side, and if you've been doing that pyramiding buying, then on the upper side, it is good time on those R3 or R2 levels to do the profit locking strategy. Okay, so that is how the whole things are, coming together. You use everything, whatever you learn from, Dibya sir or Pete sir, put that into some tradable or something, a good framework that you can work upon and build upon. Now, some of the recent examples are all these are bullish ones. Biocon, Escorts, Idea, Powergrid. Powergrid I shared in the group as well. Airtel, Z Entertainment, Torrent Pharma. Torrent Pharma is just came in my watch list yesterday or on Friday. And then bearish, you take any bank Nifty and pick any banking chart except SBI. And other ones are TCS, Bajaj Auto, HUL, HCL. These are all beaten down stocks, right? So in these stocks, some of them might be on the lower percentage strength. It might make sense to do some pyramiding buying in these ones if you are planning to. Just check the file that Pete sir that has shared the link for, and also you can check on the chart as well. Now, what should you see and how you should interpret it? Now, this is an example of bullish sign. Now, over here you can see there was over here we got a sell signal. Let me bring this. See the price breakout. Watch the price pattern and price action. Over here we had this trend, which was the resistance line, and then one day there was a huge spike, and then it was a complete breakout. And we got a score of 4 and 5 immediately building up. There was a breakout. The super trend gave us a buy. We were trading at these above ones are the volume weighted moving averages, and below ones is the super trend. These shaded ones above is like
what is that above one? What is that you mentioned, Mohit? Below one is the super trend.
Yeah. Below this one is the volume weighted moving average. It when I checked and applied EMA also, it kind of very similar like EMA on like how it comes on the plot, but I then replaced this with volume weighted moving average, because that made much better sense. Okay. So super trend saying buy, your candle is above volume weighted moving average. Price is above this. This is 200 EMA band. This gray one. Price is above 200 EMA. You see the one above. your stocks will I mean, there is a huge breakout, right? Your stock will or in 1 or 2 candles, if the momentum sustains, it will start outperforming the broader market. And you see the RSI levels on 1 hour, daily, weekly, and monthly. They will be above 55 or above 50. So that means, that says we are in a bullish territory. And then below you will see right now on the monthly we are on a green candle on Z, and then on weekly also we are on a green candle. And now the rectangle box here, the small rectangle box here says it's an inside candle being formed on the weekly, right? Because there was a huge long range, and then right now we are in the long range. So that is how we see a rectangle candle over here. On daily also we have a bullish candle, so it's a green one. So now based upon candlesticks you get a view, based upon our territory we get a view, outperforming or not, we can see above here. In this chart I've hidden all-time highs and all-time lows, that will come on the lower left and bottom side. And then you based upon all the rules I mentioned in previous slide, the code calculates the score for it. Okay, and it will give you a score that what is the strength. Now the ones that highlighted, we have a continuous 5 score. Over here we just got a 0 score. Now when you see a 0 score, we need to be a little cautious, because that is where many a times the reversal can happen. Okay, but then when it was again taken up back again, and I was observing there was longs here the short covering happened, and then above the longs were getting built. So you start looking at things very holistically, and that will help you have conviction on your trade. I like I mentioned in my video, right? So like a pilot, right, he drives the plane. उसके भी plane में there are so many parameters he looks at, right? Of course autopilot हो जाता है अभी, but there are so many things that are being displayed to the pilot to control or navigate through in difficult times or whatever the situation is. Doctors also in in the ICU rooms or in their hospitals, they treat patients by looking at the oxygen level, the BP level, the sugar level, and then prescribe the next course of medication or whatever, right? So right, that is same is applicable in our FNO world also. So in FNO world also, you have to see multiple parameters, and then only you can have a solid view on something. Things can go wrong and things will go wrong. That's not in our hand, but at least we are taking a much educated guess. So that is the whole purpose of was the purpose of building this indicator and sharing this with the larger audience. The another example, I know Deepak sir has already shared this one in his presentation, but I put in, so nonetheless we'll discuss it again. This is BPCL, right? I put this up because I know the majority of audience is this is the favorite stock, BPCL. So we see you also see this price actions, right? This was in an uptrending triangle pattern being getting formed, and then this is where the stocks start trading after the dividend was discounted, and then it went up again, and then touched this resistance zone. This is how the beauty. This is called last kiss in trading. It went down below, just went up to kiss this zone again. Didn't have that strength to go back into this into this channel it was trading. And then we got a sell signal. RSI is getting below 50. Stock started to underperform Nifty. The candle started to form bearish ones. The score starts coming negative. This is where, when you get this kind of an reversals, we put up bear call spread, and then we wait, and then whenever you're going to profit, you should book profit, or you can lower down your strikes as well. Okay, so these were two examples I wanted to share, and these are again rules like the previous ones. We see a price breakdown, watch the price action. First, watch the price action. Second, watch what's the open interest saying. Third, watch the whole setup on M-Score, like super trend, what super trend is saying, what is the stock below this. You can see this graded gray shaded area. The stock is below.
मोहित जी, इसमें आपने वो डिविडेंड कंसीडर किया जो 58 रुपीस था, बिकॉज वो अगर आप वो तो अल्टीमेटली शेयर होल्डर्स को मिल गया, तो
हाँ,
वो अगर हम कंसीडर करेंगे तो आई थिंक
वो शेयर होल्डर्स को मिल गया, राइट? बट हमें तो जो चार्ट पे दिख रहा है वो ट्रेडिंग व्यू में ऐसा आएगा, आपको वो डिविडेंड वहां पे कंसीडर नहीं करेगा, वो आपको जीरोधा में भी ऐसे ही दिखाएगा। तो उसके हिसाब से हमारे को यहाँ पे दिस पैटर्न वाज ब्रेकन, एंड देन if say let's say if the price had the dividend in it, still there would have been a breakdown after this. So if let's say you add this 40-50 rupees back in here, it starts somewhere here, and then eventually you visualize things. इस ये पूरे जोन को ऊपर प्लस 40-50 रुपीज शिफ्ट कर दो, देन ऑल्सो यू विल गेट अ ब्रेकडाउन, राइट? बट ट्रेडिंग व्यू में ऐसा नहीं आएगा, आपको जैसा वहां पे अभी जो है सो है, तो आपको वैसे ही दिखेगा, आपको जीरोधा में भी नहीं दिखेगा ऐसे। बट हमारा जो इंडिकेटर्स है, वो जो क्लोजिंग प्राइस है उसी से ही वो कैलकुलेट करते हैं। मैं मैनुअली उसमें कब किसका क्या डिविडेंड आना है वो मैनुअली हम कोड में नहीं डाल सकते हैं। ओके, सो did I answer your question?
ओके।
मोहित जी, वो आप कर सकते हो,
आप अपना अप्लाई करते हैं तो ये जैसा भी आप दिखा रहे हैं ना वैसा दिखता नहीं, बड़ा क्लमजी सा दिखता है, मतलब इट इज नॉट लुक दैट क्लियर हाउ यू आर सेइंग इन दिस।
सर, आपको zoom out करना पड़ेगा। I got this question from a lot of people. Their browser settings are not set appropriately, so they need to set the browser setting.
तो वो थोड़ा सेटिंग आप शेयर कर देंगे, एक बार क्या करने का है वो चेंज कर लेंगे।
सर, वो सबका इंडिविजुअल सेटिंग है, वो मेरा एक बताने का 60-70
मतलब हमें क्या रखना है एक्चुअल में, तो मतलब आप अप्रॉक्स उसी हिसाब से
सर 70%
चेंज करके देखनी है,
या 70% तक आप जूम आउट करिए, आपको क्लियर व्यू आ जाएगा। अभी I can show in my browser as well later on.
One second, Mohit ji, before that, before moving off this chart, right? I have a doubt. Like I was backtesting using this tool, and many times I have found that even when the signal is bearish, right, the price was moving higher. So why that phenomenon happens? Like in this chart, if you look at February 2021, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Can you see that? So basically the score is bearish, right, on the top.
Yeah.
But the price is moving up.
Yeah, price is not in our control. Based upon the price, the whole thing will come, right? And there will be no indicator is a holy grail, as I mentioned. It will give any indicator you put, it will give you false signal. No indicator is 100%. But what the idea, the concept you did not get is to take a holistic view of everything. And I'm not recommending anyone to buy naked stuff or go long naked in future. That what personally I do, I let's say I got a bearish signal and I'm pretty confident based upon all the parameters. However, here if you see the trend, it has not broken the trend line over here, right? It gave you a sell signal here, but I will personally not initiate a bear call spread here. But nonetheless, let's say I was mad or something, I put in a bear call spread here, and I will be stopped out with a very small loss. And then what I'll do, I will double the quantity of that bear call spread. Anyways, the margin requirement is very low, and I will take it on the opposite side. See, that's the trading part of it, and the indicator is a helping tool for it. And then eventually comes the understanding of price action. See, this यहाँ पे अभी we have a bearish zone. Nobody can guarantee ये ऊपर नहीं जाएगा कल. अगर ये मेरा indicator यहाँ पे red दिखा रहा है, there is no guarantee it can not go up. It can definitely go up tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday, and till Friday also.
Mohit, your indicator version is 8 and we are using 6. Will you share the revision?
No, I've shared version 7. 8 is something I'm building upon because I've removed some of the code from the version I've shared with you guys because I had to work on something else, so it was getting very lengthy, and the code there are limitations by the PineScript coding standard of TradingView that there are certain parameters restrictions that only a number of times we can use it.
Okay, at least share the revision 7. Last time you shared the revision
7.
6.
No, I shared version 7. I can share version 7 as well.
No, 7 is already shared in the group. Already shared.
Oh, okay. I missed. Maybe I will search.
Yeah, 7 already shared.
Mohit, Sumit here. One small question. So, can I change the multiplier in this chart?
Yeah, you can
BPCL?
change. Yeah, you can
So,
change super trend, EMA, any parameter you can change if you think we are getting more false signal.
Correct.
See, in a particular stock, you will get very good signals with some settings, and every script is different. Some are low beta stocks, some are high beta stocks. यहाँ पे ये अगर false signal मिला, maybe this parameter doesn't work well in this BPCL. We might have another good defined set of parameters back testing.
I want to answer that February वाला question by this gentleman. उसमें मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि जो Feb वाला time था, it was very bearish in the beginning, and then the bearishing was reducing, and then since the stock was consolidating, the bearishness continued. अगर हम multiplier को reduce करते, तो वहाँ पे हमें multiple red or green region मिलते हैं in the Feb. So that is what I want to highlight.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, see the lower time frame, the lower multiplier you'll do, you will get a faster signals, and you will get a lot of signals also.
Correct.
Right.
Even in the March and April, अगर multiplier कम होगा तो हमें वहाँ पे green और red दोनों मिलते हैं. Like that, I think it's a very long.
BPCL के केस में क्या है सर, न्यूज बेस पे भी बहुत मूव करता है. अगर एक स्टेटमेंट आ गया सेक्रेटरीज का तो चेंज हो जाता. तो जो न्यूज बेस्ड स्टॉक है उसमें चेंजेस आप प्रेडिक्ट नहीं कर सकते as per this. So it is better work, I think, in this, like he's telling low beta stocks like TCS and this top 50 stocks that I think.
पीछे आपका बैकग्राउंड नॉइस बहुत आ रहा है.
Okay, so any question, or we?
Achha, Mohit, one thing, let it not be asking for too much from my side, but then is it possible to bring pricing pattern in this wolf pattern or something of that, because they are very
5 number 4 number वही तो indicate कर रहा है. The 5 number what is coming, 5 number or red or green, that indicate the bull pattern and the bear pattern only, na?
No, that is maybe pricing action. Price pattern is something that wolf pattern or something which are very
the issue there is, already there are multiple indicators combined. Okay, so it will take a long time to calculate, and eventually, when already when Mohit sir was trying out, right, we had a discussion, technical stuff. So it was taking more than 500 milliseconds. Okay, in that case, TradingView will not calculate. It will stop you from doing it. Okay, and at this level itself, this indicator is not, they won't allow us to publish it in the market, because free people will get all the indicators at one shot, right? So adding more is.
No, it is not exactly adding more. What happens, all these pricing actions are based on past, prices. Whereas the price pattern is the only thing which can indicate, what is going to be in the next few days. So that is the difference. So that is why, So that pricing pattern is not that easy. Anybody can do it also. There are only experts can do that. So that's what I wanted to know from Mohit. Is it possible to, there are only 1 or 2 experts in the group who can talk about pricing pattern. So whether it is possible, it can be integrated. It may not be possible also. I don't know the answer. But
you can have one more indicator. You can have one more indicator otherwise.
sir, I'll answer.
M plus.
Yeah.
No, I'm already working on something here as well. I'll share it soon over here.
Yeah. Okay.
So the thing is, sir, price action is something that will keep on changing every day. If there has to be a flag pattern or a triangle pattern formation, it will not form immediately, right? And these indicators, the code, any code you pick, it will be rule based, right? We cannot put uncertain rules that okay, after 3 months this triangle pattern is coming up, so plot something.
Yeah,
you're trying to understand. It technically in the coding things can be done. There are features available or variables available, but putting that into a concept is a very difficult thing in terms of price action. So price action
Modi,
is,
I think all
मैं कुछ ऐड करना चाहूंगा इसमें कि हम लोग जो प्राइस पैटर्न के ऊपर बात करते हैं, बोथ आर डिफरेंट थिंग्स. प्राइस इज डिफरेंट थिंग एंड इंडिकेटर इज डिफरेंट थिंग. इंडिकेटर इज बेस्ड ऑन द कैलकुलेशन. ठीक है, ये क्या हम लोग क्या पैरामीटर यूज करते हैं क्या नहीं. प्राइस पैटर्न जो होता है वो पूरी डिफरेंट थिंग. क्या है, अगर मुझे यहाँ पे कॉपर हैंडल पैटर्न दिखता है तो मोहित जी को यहाँ पे ट्रायंगल ब्रेकआउट दिख रहा होगा, या और किसको डबल बॉटम दिख रहा होगा, और किसको डबल टॉप दिख रहा होगा. बट RSI अगर 50 के ऊपर है तो सब कुछ 50 के ऊपर ही दिख रहा है. वो कोई नहीं बोल रहा है कि यार ये तो 20 के नीचे है. बट प्राइस क्या होता है कि जो मैं सोच रहा हूँ, हो सकता है कि आप वो ना सोचे. जो सबको प्राइस देख रहे हैं बट उसकी जो मीनिंग होता है वो बहुत डिफरेंट होता है. तो इसकी स्कैनर अगर आप बात करना चाहते हैं कि इसकी कोई स्कैनर बनाए या ऐसा कुछ पैटर्न बनाए, तो वो आपको बता दे कि हाँ यार ये हेड एंड शोल्डर पैटर्न है, या ये कॉपर हैंडल पैटर्न है, या कोई ट्रायंगल ब्रेकआउट हो रहा है या होने वाला है. ऐसा कोई इंडिकेटर मतलब बन नहीं सकता. सच अगर बताऊं तो बन नहीं सकता. वो हमेशा वो क्या होगा ना, उसमें चेंजेस होगा. जैसे आपने RSI बनाया, जैसे ये मोहित जी ने अपना वो एम इंडिकेटर बनाया, इसमें कोई चेंज नहीं होगा. इसमें अगर आपको चेंज करना है, इसमें सिर्फ वैल्यू चेंज करना है. जैसे RSI अगर 14 है या सुपर ट्रेंड है, उसमें मोहित जी ने 10 और 3 जो वैल्यू है पैरामीटर है उसको बस चेंज कर सकते हैं, बट वो इंडिकेटर को पूरा चेंज नहीं करेंगे. तो इसमें एक ही चीज है कि प्राइस जो होता है वो की है. प्राइस में आप क्या निकलता है, प्राइस में अगर आपको बेरिश नजर आता है, क्या आपकी इंडिकेटर, चाहे वो एम इंडिकेटर हो, चाहे ओनली RSI हो, या ओनली बोलाइंगर बैंड हो, या कुछ भी हो, क्या वो इंडिकेटर आपको बियर शो कर रहा है, यही चीज आपको दिख रहा है. अगर दोनों सेम कह रहे हैं कि मेरा प्राइस भी ऊपर जा रहा है और मेरा इंडिकेटर भी ऊपर जा रहा है, तो ठीक है, तो फिर तो आप पॉजिटिव में बैठिए. अगर आपकी इंडिकेटर नीचे की कह रहा है और प्राइस कह रहा है नहीं यार मैं तो नीचे नहीं जाऊंगा, तो इसका मतलब सिंपल सा मीनिंग है कंफ्यूजन. तो सबसे बेहतर है उस स्टॉक में काम मत कीजिए फिलहाल, जब तक आपको क्लैरिटी ना मिले. तो ये चीज. और एक जन सर जी ने पूछ रहे थे कि मोहित जी का जो ये स्क्रीन जो दिख रहा है तो मेरा ऐसा क्यों नहीं होता. तो मैं उनको एक ही चीज बोलूंगा, यहाँ पे आप सेटिंग में जाके, मोहित जी अगर आपको हो तो दिखा सकते हैं. सेटिंग में जाके आप R1 जो S1 जो जितने होता है ना, उनको इनविजिबल कर लीजिए, तो मोहित जी के तरह वो आ जाएगा. जब वो R1 S1 S4 ये सारे आते हैं ना, तो चार्ट छोटा हो जाता है, स्क्वीज हो जाता है, तो क्लैरिटी नहीं आता है. तो उनको इनविजिबल कर लेंगे तो अपने आप वो क्या हो जाएगा, स्प्रेड हो जाएगा. हाँ वो चीज ठीक है.
यहाँ पे एक ना SR लेंथ है, जैसे सपोर्ट डिस्टेंस लेंथ, इसको अब 1 कर देना बस ऐसे. अभी आपका डिफॉल्ट 256 आ रहा है, इसको इफ यू सी लेट्स से इफ आई डू 256, अभी आपको ऐसे दिखेगा. It'll come up. So okay, so here you see आपको ऊपर R1 R2 R3 R4, ये black line is the main line. This is S1 S2 S3 S4 support levels. So it is trading at the support 2. So the percentage strength of this BPCL is right now in Pizza would be low. Okay, so that's how we discussed Pizza and build this whole thing in the indicator also. So now the thing is, आपका चार्ट में किसी को अच्छा व्यू नहीं आ रहा है, so आप यहाँ क्या करिए, यहाँ पे सेटिंग्स में जाइए, go to settings, this SR length just make it 1.
What is SR means?
Support resistance length. So it is
okay.
This is one way of doing it, and then second way of doing it, as Divya sir said, यहाँ पे आप स्टाइल में जाइए, ये आपको R1 R2 R3 ये जितने हैं इसको डिसेबल कर दीजिए ऐसे. Okay, once you disable, सबको disable कर देना, and then select this button default and save as a default for you. Only if you want to see, then enable it if it is a problem. And then another question I always get is people are not the things are overlapping or stuff. Things are not very visible as it's visible on my right. तो यहाँ पे सिंपल चीज है, इसको जूम आउट करिए थोड़ा सा करिए. अपने अब सबका ब्राउजर सेटिंग अलग होगा, सबका स्क्रीन रेजोल्यूशन अलग होगा. it's very difficult for me to tell everyone what should be recommended setting for your system, right?
I don't. I'm really, your patience is amazingly. So many people trouble you so, patiently you respond to everybody. I myself have troubled you a lot.
नहीं
ये मोहित जी ने कहा कि ये जो चार्ट को एडजस्टमेंट करना है, ये साइड में जो प्राइस है उसको भी आप ऊपर नीचे कर सकते हैं, वो अपने ऊपर है।
हाँ, ये देखिए, ये ऐसे बस
बस
ये यहाँ से जूम आउट, बस डन। अपने लिए सेट करके एक वन टाइम सेटिंग है, वो सबको कर लेना है।
मोहित का इंडिकेटर अभी भी वर्जन 7 कौन से ग्रुप में आपने शेयर किया था? फाइनेंशियल फ्रीडम 3 करके, इसमें तो नहीं दिख रहे हैं।
आई थिंक मैंने सब पे किया, बट अगर नहीं किया तो
कर देंगे, आज
दोबारा कर देंगे।
And Mohit, eagerly waiting for version 8. It looks really good actually.
नहीं, वर्जन 8 में कुछ ऐसा कुछ डिफरेंट मैजिक नहीं है सर एक्चुअली।
इसके लिए मोहित जी को चार्ज करना पड़ेगा अगर इतना वेट कर रहे हैं।
अच्छा भाई, I fully agree with Mr. Dibya ji, on his response to my bringing pattern in the chart. Okay, he is one expert of price pattern in our group. So I would request Mohit, both of you can work and bring little on the pricing pattern. I will be personally very happy.
Sir, मैं एक बार आंसर करता हूँ ये इस क्वेश्चन को। Let's say this is Bank Nifty. मैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेड Bank Nifty में करता हूँ। So I know things in and out. So अब इसमें what is the price pattern? Okay, अगर ये 1 hour चार्ट है, ठीक है, आप सिंपल इतना कर सकते हैं, यहाँ से एक लाइन सिलेक्ट कर लीजिए, जो भी हाइस बन रहे हैं उनको कनेक्ट कर लीजिए बस ऐसे, और एक चलो ये लो मान लेते हैं, और एक ऐसे। अरे कहाँ गया, 1 second, this is 1, this is let's say this is 2. So now this is the channel it is trading in, right?
Okay.
So अब now when will it hit again, or it will, let's say अगर ये hit होता ही नहीं तो ये पैटर्न भी बनता नहीं, तो वो कोड में भी कुछ बनता नहीं।
अच्छा, okay.
So it is kind of impossible to build price action, okay. Right? So we don't know when it will come and if it will come.
Yes, exactly. वो मैं वही चीज कहना था।
Okay.
So ये पॉसिबल ही नहीं होगा। हाँ, वो अपने तरफ से थोड़ा सा वो
this is Rakesh.
आप ह्यूमन इंटेलिजेंस को कंप्यूटर इंटेलिजेंस डालने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, राम। You want human intelligence to come into the computer intelligence.
कुछ free
it will be no, it is artificial intelligence which Mohit can do. He will agree with me after maybe 2-3 months.
नहीं sir,
sir, I found a way.
guys, I can show you, if you go to investing.com and if you open up your portfolio or watch list, the last tab is candlestick patterns. So there all the stocks you have in your list, whatever pattern is emerging at that point in time will be shown. It is falling three methods, doji, star bearish, engulfing bearish, whatever it is.
वो हो जाएगा।
कैंडलस्टिक के हिसाब से जो है वो तो मिल जाएगा, बट पैटर्न जैसे मैं और
yes, so you can see it there. I mean, having it on chart won't make any sense. Actually, you can see it there.
Yeah. Let me answer that. So see, Maru Bozu candle है, low पे open हुआ है, high पे close हुआ है. So that is the fixed rule. ठीक है, हैमर कैंडल है, तो दैट मीन्स उसका सबसे ज्यादा जो नीचे जो बॉडी है बहुत छोटा है, एंड नीचे जो लेंथ है वो बहुत बड़ा है. तो दोज आर फिक्स्ड रूल फॉर कैंडल्स, बट इन पैटर्न्स देयर इज नो फिक्स्ड रूल बिकॉज यू डोंट नो व्हेन इट विल बी गेटिंग फॉर्म. It can take weeks and months also to get a channel or a cup and handle, or जैसे कि निफ्टी ले लीजिए, निफ्टी में सबको पता है 3 हेड एंड शोल्डर्स बना, बट वो हेड एंड शोल्डर्स जब बनने के बाद ही पता चला ना सबको कि बन रहा है और वहां पे टूट सकता है नेकलाइन से, तो वो इंडिकेटर वो हेड एंड शोल्डर हमारे लिए फटाफट प्लॉट कर दे, it's not possible. There are some free indicators in library जो harmonics ABCD जो होता है, ABCDE या wolf pattern, जो वो सब patterns है, वो कुछ हैं, वो भी perfect नहीं है, वो भी perfect plotting नहीं करते हैं, but helping tool है.
कुछ पैटर्न्स है, कुछ साइट्स है जो आपको पैटर्न बोल के ये दिखा देगी कि ये डबल टॉप है, हेड एंड शोल्डर है, बट उसमें भी गलतियां है. जैसे मैं अगर एग्जांपल बताऊं तो keystocks.com या .in ऐसा कुछ करके है, वो साइट बताता है. तो मैंने भी उसको तो उस मेरे हिसाब से वो डबल बॉटम नहीं था, बट वो उनके हिसाब से डबल बॉटम था. तो ये जो पैटर्न्स हम लोग जो बात करते हैं ये वैरी करता है पर्सन टू पर्सन. जो मोहित जी जो कह रहे थे ये पॉसिबल है, मोहित जी की तरफ से अगर वो बना के दे देंगे, लगता है कि हाँ मोहित जी बोलेंगे यार डबल बॉटम है, उनकी अगर सिस्टम बोल रहा है डबल बॉटम, हो सकता है कि मुझे वो डबल बॉटम ना दिखाई दे. ठीक है ना. तो पैटर्न जो होता है वो वैरी करता है पर्सन टू पर्सन. तो कहने का मतलब है पैटर्न देखने का तरीका एक ही है. जितना आप प्राइस को स्टडी करेंगे, अगर आप फोकस इंडिकेटर के ऊपर स्टडी करेंगे तो प्राइस जो आप देखना भूल जाएंगे. अगर जितना प्राइस को स्टडी करेंगे उसके बाद आप इंडिकेटर में आइए, तो आपको उसमें चेंजेस नजर आएगा. क्या अगर आपको इंडिकेटर जैसे मोहित जी का यहाँ पे इंडिकेटर क्या कह रहा है, सिंपल 200-डे मूविंग एवरेज जिसके ऊपर बैंक निफ्टी है, रीड होने की जरूरत नहीं है. हाँ ठीक है, यहाँ पे सेलिंग आया है, चलो ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे आपको कुछ ना कुछ मिल रहा है कि हाँ कुछ अभी नीचे नहीं गया. और उसी चीज अगर पैटर्न वाइज आप देखोगे तो यहाँ पे देखो ऊपर से सेलिंग आया है, तो दोनों को मिलाइए, कंपेयर करने की कोशिश कीजिए. तो जैसे आप बीपीसीएल की चार्ट दिखाया मोहित जी ने दिखाया, या जी लिमिटेड की दिखाया, तो उन दोनों एक साथ मिल रहे हैं. चाहे वो पैटर्न और इंडिकेटर की बात करें, यहाँ पे क्या है ना, दोनों एक साथ नहीं मिल रहे. तो उस चीज को वेट करना पड़ेगा. देखिए यहाँ पे बीपीसीएल है, सॉरी बैंक निफ्टी है, यहाँ पे हमें वेट करना पड़ेगा क्या पैटर्न बनने जा रहा है. तो ये चीज कैसे होगा, जब तक आप चार्ट को ज्यादा आप एनालाइज ना करें, मतलब वो पिक्चर क्रिएट अपने मन में होगा, तो तभी वो हो पाएगा.
वो प्रैक्टिस से आएगा सर.
प्रैक्टिस से.
No, PKG, I just wanted to tell you the impact of this pattern. 15 days back, it was posted in our group that BPC can touch 380 purely due to the pattern. That's why I am so much after that, because some patterns are so accurate. Even I posted it, then somebody said no, BPC cannot go down to that level, but then it went down. It is still going down. Yes. So pricing patterns are very, very accurate in many cases. So that is why I was really talking about it. But anyway, experts will tell us what is possible in the charts or not.
Sir,
but we can always
patterns works the best because see ये patterns कहाँ से आए हैं? सब books में लिखा है sir. Everybody is reading the same book. Everybody is putting the same book का learning in some coding, in some system. सबका SL and reversal, booking profit levels सबका defined होता है. वो एक अब head and shoulder कहाँ जाके reverse मारेगा. Everybody knows कि उसका जो head का और neck का length है वहाँ possible target है. तो एक बार तो वहाँ profit booking आती है वहाँ पे. अगर जैसे निफ्टी नीचे जा रहा है, कहाँ तक नीचे जाएगा, एक of course there can be continued down trend, but एक बार तो वो अपने neck से लेकर के जो उसका head की length जितनी है उतना वो नीचे में cover करेगा. ये technically books में लिखा है ऐसा. And everybody is reading same book, everybody is putting that same SL, same thing, तो वो वहां से ही U-turn मारेगा.
Right? और एक चीज मैं ऐड करना चाहूंगा, जितने भी हम पैटर्न सक्सेस के बारे में करते हैं, अगर आप पूरी एनालाइज करेंगे, ये 30% ही सक्सेस होता है. 70% नहीं कि 100% नहीं, ओनली 30%. ये रियलिटी है. तो पैटर्न वाइज, चाहे हम पैटर्न वाइज बात करें, चाहे इंडिकेटर वाइज बात करें, वो 30 to 40% मैक्सिमम टू मैक्स होता है. तो ये इसको कैसे 80% लेके आए, कंपेयर करना पड़ेगा. चाहे पैटर्न वर्सेस इंडिकेटर, या निफ्टी वर्सेस बैंक निफ्टी, या निफ्टी वर्सेस अदर मार्केट, या निफ्टी वर्सेस करेंसी, तो वहां से कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डअप होगा. या निफ्टी वर्सेस, कभी बहुत बार ऐसे है कि हमारा पैटर्न वाइज ब्रेकडाउन हो चुका है, बट ऑप्शन वाइज ब्रेकडाउन नहीं हुआ है. सबसे ज्यादा हाईएस्ट ओपन इंटरेस्ट खड़े हैं, जैसे अभी 17,000 में पुट राइटिंग खड़े हैं, बट उस विशेष में. तो वो जब हम कंपेयर करने चालू करेंगे तो अब आपका वो सक्सेस रेशियो बढ़ेगा. तो पैटर्न वाइज याद है कि पैटर्न वाइज 30% ही सक्सेस रेशियो है, 70-80% बिल्कुल नहीं है. पैटर्न फेल्योर बहुत बार होता है. तो पैटर्न तो मैं तो देखता हूँ, पहले तो शुरू भी करता हूँ पैटर्न से, बट सक्सेस रेशियो इसका 30% है, मैक्स टू मैक्स 30% है. ये चीज है. तो जैसे हमें एक ओपन हैंडल का ब्रेकआउट मिला है भारतीय एयरटेल में, बट देखिए अभी वीकली का जो कैंडल है क्लोजिंग हुआ है वो काफी बड़ा फियर मतलब सेलिंग का सिग्नल दे रहा है, तो चांसेस है कि हाँ यहाँ पे फॉल्स सिग्नल हो सकता है। अभी भी ट्रेंड हायर है, वीकली कीजिए, वीकली कैंडल देखिए वीकली कैंडल और इसको एम स्कोर को इनविजिबल कर लीजिएगा तो वो क्लैरिटी दिखेगा ना। वीकली कीजिए, हाँ वीकली आया, ओके ग्रेट। देखिए तो वो सिंपल ये कह रहा है कि अभी एक लाइन के आसपास खड़ा है, अगर ये वीकली कैंडल के नीचे ट्रेड हो रहा है तो हो सकता है कि दोबारा ये पैटर्न फेलियर हो जाए, तो उस हिसाब से हमें स्ट्रेटेजी को फिर चेंज करना पड़ेगा, कहने का मतलब है। तो वो चीज है, तो समय के हिसाब से ऊपर। और एक चीज जो हाँ वो पीताम्बर जी ने वो एक लिंक जो बार बार शेयर करने की बात कर रहे थे, मैं सबको ये बोलूंगा कि व्हाट्सएप में वो तो लिंक भेज रहे हैं, तो उसके ऊपर आप क्लिक कीजिए तो आप बुकमार्क करके आपकी होगा लैपटॉप या सिस्टम पे जो भी है तो उसको ऐड कर लीजिएगा। तो वो चीज मैं ऐड करना चाहता था उस टाइम पे, तो बोल नहीं पाए। ठीक है मोहित जी आप बोलिए।
Yeah, what happened? So I just completely agree with Divya sir on these patterns point, and then I just want to add that all these things, right? All these are indicators. Eventually, price is the supreme thing. First, you have to see the price, then see the patterns, and then this M score and any other indicator that you continue you are already using. Use this as an helping tool only, not take any short decision on based upon these things only. Okay, and then one gentleman asked like यहाँ पे for example buy आया but price नीचे चला गया, तो ऐसा क्यों हुआ, right? ऐसा क्यों हुआ, we don't know. तो कभी अभी यहाँ पे भी selling है, कल ऊपर जा सकता है. Nobody can answer how ऊपर से नीचे क्यों आया, नीचे से ऊपर क्यों गया और आगे कहाँ जाएगा. Nobody can answer that. So now where is the important learning part? Let's say आपने यहाँ पे you आपने bearish bullish view लिया, आपने एक बुल कॉल स्प्रेड लगाया, ठीक है, आपका यहाँ पे रिवर्सल आ गया, यहाँ इस कैंडल पे यहाँ पे समवेयर आपको थोड़ा सा लॉस हो रहा होगा, क्योंकि एक 2-4 दिन में ही मैक्सिमम लॉस तो अचीव होगा नहीं, वैसे भी हेज स्ट्रेटजी है, आपको सेलिंग सिग्नल आ गया, अब आप डबल क्वांटिटी में उल्टा स्प्रेड लगा दो, बियर कॉल स्प्रेड, ठीक है, ये फिर ऊपर चला गया तो 2 बार लॉस लग गया, डबल क्वांटिटी करो, फिर लगाओ बुल कॉल स्प्रेड, कितनी बार लॉस, 2-3 बार, एक बार तो इंडिकेटर पूरा ट्रेंड देगा ना आपको, और जब देगा आपके सारे पुराने लॉस भी रिकवर करके मल्टी आपको अच्छा देके ही चला जाएगा. सो इट इज अबाउट साइकोलॉजी. यहाँ पे ये रॉन्ग सिग्नल क्यों आ रहा है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ये दीज आर ट्रेंडिंग, सुपर ट्रेंड इज अ ट्रेंड इंडिकेटर, यहाँ पे ट्रेंड नहीं हो रहा है मार्केट, यहाँ पे इट इज अ रेंज बाउंड मार्केट, राइट? सो रेंज बाउंड, अब यहाँ पे क्या है कि ये रेंज बाउंड में यू हैव टू सी फ्रॉम अ लॉन्गर होराइजन कि ये इस पूरे पीरियड में कंसोलिडेशन हो रहा है.
उस पीरियड में आप अगर ट्रेंड लाइन डालोगे तो वो एक सिमेट्रिकल ट्रायंगल का ब्रेकआउट हुआ, उसके बाद आप देखिए सुपर ट्रेंड, यस सिमेट्रिकल ट्रायंगल या आप वो हाँ ठीक है, तो आप थोड़ा सा असेंडिंग ट्रायंगल का ब्रेकआउट हुआ है, देखिए उसके बाद सुपर ट्रेंड कैसे काम किया, तो वो चीज है, वो दोनों को
बिल्कुल इट्स लाइक यू हैव टू सी थिंग्स, एक सिर्फ इंडिकेटर के बेस पे ही नहीं लेना है, यू हैव टू सी थिंग्स इन अ पर्सपेक्टिव. अब यहाँ पे ऐसी कंसोलिडेशन का एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ मैं, चाय उबालने की तरह, राइट? चाय सबको पता है, सबने बनाई होगी लाइफ में या कभी कैंटीन में जाके पी होगी. तो ये जो पीरियड है यहाँ पे चाय का उबाल नहीं आया है, चाय का उबाल जब आता है ना एकदम ऊपर जाता है, तो ये पूरा पीरियड है जब गैस पे सिर्फ चाय है, हमको वेट करना होता है. चाय का मजा सब उबलने के बाद ही लेते हैं, एग्री और नॉट एग्री, उबल के ही सब लोग लेते हैं. सो ये पूरे पीरियड में वो गैस पे है, उसका जब उबाल आएगा ना पूरे कंसोलिडेशन के बाद, तभी हमने वो ट्रेड्स लेनी है. इट इज इजियर टू से बट आई नो डिफिकल्ट टू एग्जीक्यूट, बट दैट इज हाउ वी हैव टू डू, एंड दैट इज हाउ आई ऑल्सो डू, एंड आई डू रिलीजियसली थिंग्स ऑन बैंक निफ्टी ओनली. सो इसके प्रीवियस बिहेवियर, सी 10 स्टॉक 50 स्टॉक में क्यों काम करना है, 5 स्टॉक पकड़ लो, आप उसी पे काम करो, आपको इन एंड आउट पता चल जाएगा, उसकी वॉलेटिलिटी, रिवर्सल, प्रीवियस सपोर्ट, रेजिस्टेंस, सब फिर इंडिकेटर्स आपको हेल्प कर देंगे उसमें. फॉर एग्जांपल अभी आई एम वर्किंग ऑन समथिंग ऑन दिस अनदर इंडिकेटर, आई stopped building M score anymore. So let me go to daily. See अभी मंडे के लिए क्या व्यू है मेरा, फॉर एग्जांपल इन let me hide all this thing. One second. This are all CPR stuff.
What is CPR meaning?
CPR is a central pivot range. There is a person in US who's written a book, Pivot Boss karke. Joshua something name is there. So I found it very, and यहाँ पे in our India also there is a person like Gomati Shankar, unka Elon market pe there is a good video on CPR indicator, and he teaches that whole concept very religiously, I think. So the thing is, let me also remove this also. Okay. Now this is Bank Nifty, right? So यहाँ पे अगर आप देखेंगे इसका जो प्रीवियस ये स्विंग हाई था, अगर आप डेली पे देख रहे हो ये स्विंग लो था, अभी ये नेक्स्ट स्विंग हाई ये है, ठीक है? तो प्रीवियस लो से अगर आप वॉल्यूम वेटेड एवरेज प्राइस निकालेंगे, यहाँ से ये दिस इज द लाइन, दिस येलो लाइन, एंड लेट मी आल्सो हाइड ड्राइंग्स and apply M score. So Bank Nifty ये इस प्रीवियस स्विंग लो के जो वॉल्यूम वेटेड एंकर्ड प्राइस है उसके यहाँ पे बिल्कुल पास में आ रहा है. This is a level it respected over here, and then it might respect again, and then below here we have 200 EMA as well. Okay, so यहाँ पे strong support है, यहाँ पे भी एक एंकर्ड VWAP का सपोर्ट है, एंड जो हमारे प्रीवियस रेजिस्टेंस थे वो अब सपोर्ट की तरह काम करेंगे. तो ये भी एक लेवल है. इट कैन ऑफ कोर्स गो डाउन बिलो. अगर ये लेवल सपोर्ट होल्ड नहीं करता बैंक निफ्टी, देन देयर आर doors will open for 32,000 33,000 लेवल्स. नाउ ये 32 33 कहाँ से आ रहा है? अब ये इससे पीछे का जो मेजर स्विंग लो था वो समवेयर वाज इन सितंबर, जहां से we have this again anchored this is a multi anchored concept I am trying to just convey. Okay, and यहाँ से फिर we have this level, and then let me put corona wala also in this. This is 24th March 2020. Okay, so this is the COVID crash में जो उसका लो था, और वहां से अगर आप वॉल्यूम वेटेड एवरेज लेंगे, so it took support once here, and then it went into other higher levels. ठीक है, तो eventually जो उसका last, अगर उसने full bearish भी होना है, अगर there is a crash type scenario which I don't think is going to happen, if it happens, then this 28,000 levels is something where we can get in bounce from on the higher levels. So right now I don't think it's going to break it. If it breaks, of course then there will be higher levels, यहाँ वाले levels open हो जाएंगे इसके. But अगर आप इसको hourly में भी देखेंगे, see we have these multiple supports यहाँ पे anchored 200 EMA, previous resistances. आप एक बार यहाँ पे जाइए hourly में इसमें वो RSI लगा लीजिए. I think लगा ही हुआ है. So see this over here, there is divergence also building up. The price is making lower low, but down below if you see, the relative strength has not made a lower low. That means it can reverse from here. It can. I mean it's just a possibility, and we have other indicators also saying a possible reversal. Okay. Another case in point is let's say Pfizer. Dibya sir ke sath I discussed it as well, and it perfectly played out fine. So this Pfizer, and even I am holding it. So see this over here. Let me remove this line. This made a lower low, and up price में देखें, the RSI it made a higher high, and then we get I was waiting that this is going to bounce. This kind of a bounce was due. So this has happened. Let's say, for example, this divergence has played out in Pfizer. It can very well possibly also play out in Bank Nifty also. Now this Bank Nifty is in a downtrending channel, and it has hit the channel support. It is at the anchored VWAP of the previous swing low. There is divergence also. अगर मैं होऊंगा ना तो मैं अभी contra view ले लूंगा. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा अगर लॉस हो जाएगा तो हो जाएगा hedge strategy में, but I would go and take a contra view. So that is my view, and I many times have gone wrong and then doubled the quantity and reversed. So just think whatever you can do.
चांसेस है कि एक बाउंस बैक आना चाहिए, क्योंकि इतनी जबरदस्त बैंकिंग में सेलिंग हुआ है. जो आप दिखा रहे हो वही चीज मैं ही कह रहा था. बट हाँ ठीक है, तो एक हफ्ता जो भी आ रहा है बाउंस बैक आ रहा है, कितना आ रहा है, यही चीज बहुत सबसे बड़ी चीज है कि वो देखना है कि कितना बाउंस बैक आना. एक तो आना चाहिए बैंकिंग स्टॉक में, चाहे वो निफ्टी में हो चाहे बैंकिंग स्टॉक में, तो बाउंस बैक कितना आना चाहिए या कितना कंसोलिडेट कर रहा है, यही चीज देखना है.
Yeah, so
ये भी मैं एग्री करता हूँ इसमें. But let's see.
Yeah, I mean, let's see. So I'm in the whole where the fear sentiment, I have a contra view, so we'll see next week. Pata chal jayega anyways. So the thing is, now if you see how things have worked out, if there is a bullish trend, then there is a property of this volume weighted moving average. Whenever price goes to an extreme level, एक दो जैसे बैंक निफ्टी है 2-2.5 अपने वॉल्यूम वेटेड एवरेज से ऊपर आ जाता है, इट कम्स एंड किसेस दिस लाइन. इट हैज दिस प्रॉपर्टी. आप बैक टेस्टिंग इसका पूरा देख लीजिए, आपको 100 एग्जांपल्स मिल जाएंगे. ठीक है, अभी भी यहाँ देखिए, दिस वाज द सकर्स मूव, जहाँ पे जाके सबको बाय करा दिया. दिस बैंक निफ्टी इज गोइंग टू बूम ब्लास्टिक. बट व्हाट आई वाज सीइंग हियर इज, ठीक है, इसका वॉल्यूम वेटेड एवरेज से तो और दूर जा रहा है ना. जितना ऊपर जाएगा, दिस सकर्स रैली विल इवेंचुअली समडे कम एंड हिट दिस लाइन. ओके, सो दिस I mean, this is small things you have to keep in your back pocket also sometimes. And then indicate, so यहाँ पे आपको ये सब दिख रहा है, and then indicator बोला यहाँ पे ओके चलो लगाओ बियर कॉल स्प्रेड, यहाँ पे लगाओ, गो डायरेक्शनल. क्या होगा, थोड़ा सा लॉस हो जाएगा, ठीक है, लॉस हो गया, ऊपर चला गया, डबल मार दो क्वांटिटी ऊपर को, फिर लॉस हो गया, फिर और उसका भी डबल मार दो, कितना 25,000 30,000 में स्प्रेड लग जाता है. सो यू कैन एनीवे स्केल. एक ना एक बार तो अच्छा सिग्नल मिलेगा. एंड देन यू see, this is trend, this is volume, how the average price with volumes have played out. इसके साथ में अगर आप ADX भी थोड़ा यूज करेंगे जो मोमेंटम इंडिकेटर है, I'll come to that. I think I'm overtaken time.
So you mean to say that VWAP would be a best support for Bank Nifty now? It has almost touched. That's the point, isn't it?
Yeah, this is a support area. This whole thing.
Okay.
This yellow line, this 200 EMA, and ये पूरे जो previous swings हैं, इनका भी एक ये support zone है. If it is broken, then this gets activated for me. यहाँ पे अगर मुझे काउंटर व्यू लेना होगा, जिस दिन बैंक निफ्टी इसको टच करेगा, देन यहाँ पे मैं लगाऊंगा बुल कॉल स्प्रेड. दिस इज हाउ आई सी थिंग्स.
मोहित, फर्स्ट वीवैप तो आपने अप्रैल से लिया है. व्हाट अबाउट द सेकंड वीवैप इट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम?
आपको प्रीवियस स्विंग्स लो पकड़ने हैं, ठीक है. वन सेकंड, लेट मी शो यू.
फर्स्ट वन इज फ्रॉम अप्रैल, राइट? द सेकंड वेव का आपने लिया कोविड का.
This is the COVID low. Then you see उसके बाद में how the swing zigzag patterns, एक zigzag indicator भी है, वो अभी आप लगा के देख सकते हैं. आपको फिर ये एक हायर लो मिलेगा, ठीक है. उसके बाद में आपको यहाँ पे somewhere ये एक आपको हायर लो मिलेगा. तो वैसे वैसे आप इसको लगा लीजिए, ठीक है, ताकि आपको डाउन साइड में लेवल्स कहाँ पे हैं. अगर इफ यू वांट टू ऐड or you want to book profit, if you're in profit you want to book profit, or if you want to add bank Bs, nifty Bs, that these are the best places to do this. Okay, and इसको अगर आप निफ्टी में भी अगर आप 2008 के क्रैश को लगाओगे ना, एंकर्ड वीवैप वहाँ पे, उसका जो लो, उसका जो पॉइंट आएगा, जैसे 2008 में किसी ने लगाया, उसका जो एंकर्ड वीवैप आएगा वहीं पे ही बैंक निफ्टी ने लो लगाया था कोविड में भी. One can try and see that. I'm not lying. It has worked out in the past. from the crash to crashes, from the lows to lows. Now the was this is too technical, right? Okay, so now the thing is, one thing is certain, अगर price ऊपर है तो वो इसके ऊपर ही रहेगा, right? If there is a bull trend, it will go and be sustain up, and when it will be the difference of this volume weighted average and the price will be huge. इसको नीचे आना ही होगा, हर एक ऊपर जाने वाली चीज को नीचे, it's the price is just the nature of it, it's mean reversing. And
this ultimate version 8.0 may hide this, or you have to open that V2.0 for VWAP?
This is something else I'm working. I'll once I'm done with it, I'll share, because this is not a tradable thing, right? It's a very discretionary thing that you look at it, that I'm trying just to, for Monday, why I see things differently, or for next week, is what I'm just wanted to try to put a point. But this is not a tradable instrument, but in some way it can be made a tradable instrument in options, weekly options. Okay, I'll show you how.
No, but that version 8.0 has got this.
No,
we can add this VWAP, Ramaji.
Yeah, it's chart. Yeah, it's a free. आपको free में मिल जाएगा यहाँ पे. Anchor type Anchor VWAP.
And Mohit, can you share the settings of it? What settings you're using besides the anchor date? What else you're using?
इसमें कुछ नहीं है सर, डेट ही है बस, और कुछ नहीं है. उस डेट से प्लॉट होएगा वो. Okay.
This HLC by 3 is what you're using, correct? There are the other settings also. If you see just above the date, there is settings that are different. HLC3.
Oh, वो है high low close of candle. आप इसको close कर दीजिए, उससे ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा प्लॉट पे. That is not of great importance. वो standard options जो available होते हैं उन पे choose करने के लिए है वो. Okay, so what I was saying is अभी
मोहित ट्रेंड लाइन ये मैन्युअली ड्रॉ किया है क्या आपने? ये जो पिंक कलर के लाइंस जो आ रहे हैं.
हाँ सर, ये मैनुअली है. ये कुछ नहीं, आप बस सिंपल हाई लोस कनेक्ट कर लीजिए, एक जोन मिल जाएगा.
एक्चुअली मैंने कुछ इंडिकेटर देखे हैं, प्री इंडिकेटर, उसमें ये प्लॉट होते हैं ऐसे टाइप के, काफी एक्चुअली यूजफुल हो सकता है, राइट? ये जो इंफॉर्मेशन ट्रेंड लाइन.
हाँ, सपोर्ट रेजिस्टेंस के कुछ है इंडिकेटर्स लाइब्रेरी में सर, फ्रीली अवेलेबल, आप ट्राई कर सकते हैं. वो कुछ इंडिकेटर्स हैं, वो कुछ परफेक्टली प्लॉट नहीं होंगे, लाइक कैंडल्स के बीच में भी होंगे, बट अप्रोक्सीमेट कैलकुलेशन के हिसाब से होता है सब कोड में. So that is how you can use it, but it's just drawing of one line that also can be easily done, right? So what I was trying to Pradeep sir, I have few minutes, or
yeah, you can.
Okay. So the thing is, if price is above this, then we know we have to trade only long trades. Okay.
Can we go and open a bottle of beer and have also?
You will be the sponsor, huh?
Boss, I have no problem. I'm welcoming you all to Bangalore, and Ramakrishna is also there. I'll be the host, no problem.
Right. आपने कोरोना फिर बढ़ा दिया तो अभी सबको डर लगने लगा है फिर से.
नहीं, मैं आपको कोरोना पिलाऊंगा, डोंट वरी.
Yeah.
Okay.
2 o'clock will finish. At 2 o'clock will finish.
Okay. Yeah, 7 more minutes. So what I'm trying to say कि this is the characteristic that we have observed on daily chart. Okay, daily chart पे you cannot trade weekly options, right? So we need to go to, let's say, 15 minutes. Okay, now the concept here is just a concept. Okay, let me remove this stuff and let me remove that anchored stuff, क्योंकि ये इस सब का जरूरत नहीं है अभी. ओके, एंड अभी जरूरत है हमारे पास मंथली, वीकली एंड डेली के VWAPs का. ओके, नाउ दिस इज, लेट मी मेक इट लिटिल बिग. सो ये जो ग्रे सिल्वर लाइन है, दिस इज डेली का VWAP, this is weekly ka VWAP, this black line is monthly ka VWAP. Okay, now what has happened is in okay, अभी आप को लगेगा नवंबर में तो बियर आया ही है तो सारे बियर सिग्नल नहीं क्यों दिखाऊं मैं. Okay, let's go back. आपको अक्टूबर दिखा देते हैं। अक्टूबर में यू सी नाउ द थिंग इज, यहाँ पे मंथली वाला आपका प्लॉट थोड़े टाइम से ही आएगा, बेटर प्लॉट। तो सितंबर वाला योर मंथली का प्लॉट स्टॉप्ड हियर। ओके, सो नाउ in starting October, price is above VWAP of the monthly closing of September. That means there is bull. Okay, and then this is weekly ka. Sorry, this is the monthly one developing for October month, and this is the weekly wala developing. So price is now, when I know that price is above my monthly, then and it is also above the previous month VWAP, then there is bull continuation. Then I will only trade the setups or patterns which are bullish. Okay, so you wait for it. You let it appear on the chart. Let's say this is you're trading here. You wait for it, and once this breakout is done, take this. Okay, then again you wait for it. Let it play out. Then go again. The price is above. What chota hai? Let me zoom in. The price is above daily VWAP. It is above weekly VWAP, and it is also above monthly VWAP. So you take only bull only trade. Then wait for other signals. Like यहाँ पे देखिए, ये this is the period. Again यहाँ पे जो हमारा चाय है वो गैस पे है, और ये यहाँ पे उबाल आ गया, फॉर एग्जाम्पल उबाल आ गया, तो चाहे बियर कॉल बुल कॉल लगाने के लिए वे आर रेडी. देन अगेन सी दिस होल कंसोलिडेशन, you trade this. Likewise, you keep on trading. Sometimes in a sideways zone, see we are again on the up, and this is the next week now. So next week का जो VWAP है वो वहाँ next week के next Monday से start हो, plot होना start हो जाएगा, and then intermediate we have the daily ones. So any reversal, sell signal we don't have to take, because our higher time frame VWAPs are telling that we are in bull. Okay, so we will only wait and take the bull ones. So again this is the whole consolidation. You wait. यहाँ पे we are the RT is on our gas stove, and then okay, चाय ready है यहाँ पे कप में डालने के लिए. Okay, like this you trade it, and let me also show November also, and then see what has happened. You have to keep, I said you have to keep levels in mind. So this is the level, and see the distance it is above from the monthly VWAP. It went crazy. This was one of the suckers move. Okay, so it has to come and kiss it. That is the nature of it. That is how the mean reversing property plays out. It will play out.
This is a monthly VWAP. VWAP, you mean to say? Monthly VWAP.
This is monthly one.
Monthly one. Okay. And the other one you had shown in the earlier chart with the M score. That is what? That is.
That is also in this only, sir. That is anchored VWAPs. Now what is anchored VWAP is something that you can put it into a past date. See, these are daily, monthly and weekly. वो Monday को start होगा weekly वाला, monthly वाला first of the month start होगा, right? And daily वाला सुबह 9:15 से start होगा. And then these anchored is something that you can put a point, let's say 2 years back, 3 months back, 3.5 months back, any place you want to put in the back. And the property comes, the property of it coming and kissing it back is also like a ship standing on in the river. वो रोकने के लिए उसका anchor lever नीचे घेर देते हैं, right? But with the water it will start moving in some direction, left or right. But what the anchor will do at some point, it will pull it back. Okay. It will control that ship, right? So that is how this property or this nature works here. So this anchor is like it attracts when the extremism happens. It attracts back toward itself. That is like the price also moves in step, right? वो एकदम ऊपर ही नहीं जाता रहता है. एक जगह आता है फिर वहीं से ही वो ऊपर एक सांस लेके फिर आगे चलता है, कहीं तो ब्रेक लेना पड़ता है उसको, कंसोलिडेट करना पड़ता है। तो वो कंसोलिडेशन वाले जो जैसे ये पीरियड है, तो ये कंसोलिडेशन वाले जो जोन्स हैं, आपको इनको केयरफुली ऑब्जर्व करना होगा। इफ see, and this all comes with spending time with chart only. This is the place. Now when you see this happening, you don't enter it until यहाँ पे you see price is so much above the monthly VWAP. This is going below weekly. Daily में also we are falling, and then we know our targets. We know when to book profit. If it is coming here at this level, we book our profits. Okay. Then November starts. Now what November starts, this is the previous one where it ends. So तो शुरू के कुछ दिनों में तो अभी इतना प्लॉट होगा नहीं मंथली वाला, तो उसको प्रीवियस मंथ का रेफरेंस यू टेक इट, ओके, बट उस वीक वाला प्लॉट होने लग जाएगा. So now we know if price is above the previous month and the weekly and the daily, you take bull call spread. You don't initiate any bear call spread even if you see the plot. Now what starts happening is the monthly starts getting plots after a couple of days, 2-3 days में monthly का plot, this one black one gets starting formed. Now when the price is below monthly and weekly, we will not take any bull call spread, we will take only bear call spreads. Okay, now see this, see the patterns. यहाँ पे you get a breakdown. ठीक है, यहाँ पे these are waiting period. It will wait and then it will give you opportunities. This was a freak opening, I guess. यहाँ पे you see this. यहाँ पे you have to wait. So if it is a trending, it will give you multiple opportunities. If it is not trending, how do we define if it is not trending? Also, I can also tell also. So over here, multiple examples you can see over here. Right, and then over here right now we are very far from monthly. Okay, that's what I was trying to this was my beginning point earlier when I said this property has to play out, because on the higher time frame we are hitting an anchor point. We are hitting 200 EMA on daily, we are hitting an anchor point. There is RSI divergence is also playing out. तो इतना सब कैसे पता चलता है? इतना सब पता चलता है अगर आप कुछ लिमिटेड स्टॉक्स में ही काम करेंगे या इंडेक्स में ही काम करेंगे, देन यू विल आपको उसका प्रॉपर्टी पता चल जाएगा. घर में जैसे आपके मेंबर रहते हैं, राइट, आप उनका इन एंड आउट पता आपको, अपने हस्बैंड एंड चिल्ड्रंस का, अपनी वाइफ एंड चिल्ड्रन का. वो क्यों पता? क्योंकि वी स्पेंड सम टाइम विद देम. So no point chasing things around when you get good money only in index also, I think. And this Bank Nifty is a bread earner really. Because premiums are very tasty as compared to Nifty because of the volatility and the kind of behavior it makes. So this is what I wanted to share. And lastly I was saying कि let's say trending नहीं है, ये कैसे पता चलेगा? Trending है, कैसे पता चलेगा? Let me hide this thing. यहाँ पे ये मैडेक्स भी मैं शेयर कर चुका हूँ, बट जिनके पास नहीं है मैं दोबारा शेयर कर दूंगा. यहाँ पे इसको RSI रिमूव कर देता हूँ, ADX मैं डाल देता हूँ. So ADX is the thing to define if it is going to be in momentum or not. Okay, this is the average of ADX. Now when ADX is one of the input in M score. Okay, let me remove these drawings. So over here you see the ADX is rising. So that means there will be a directional move. Which direction? Open the M score indicator and see the direction. Okay, it is downtrending. Okay, here we get increasing RSI again over here, this level. What is, go and see the direction. How you see the direction? Open M score and see the direction. Go and on the long side. And when it is in this territory, when it is downtrending, that means there is no momentum. So for example, in I think August, you see here, ADX is very low, ADX below averages also. So you don't get anything, you don't get any direction. यहाँ पे ये सारे M score, any indicator, any trending indicator, if you'll work, you will hit a stop loss, it will fail, right? So you have to connect the dots and then take a strategy. And इसमें भी क्या strategy, अगर if you know that it's not going to move, यहाँ पे लगाओ iron fly, iron condor, उसको adjust करो, that they will give good money. And if you know the direction, then play directional. Okay, so the small point, but I went little too long. Sorry. Okay, so I think if there's no more questions.
Yeah, no more questions. More than 2 o'clock.
Yeah.
So everybody must be waiting for the lunch. But today was the longest session, 4 hours. Almost 4 hours we are.
It's very long session today.
Yeah. So thank you, Mohit. Thanks a lot. You have taken this presentation because I was really looking for this presentation also, so that everybody understand what is M score and how to interpret it and all those things. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much to everybody.
Thanks.
4 hours. Thanks for the patience and listening to
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you, Mohit. Bye.
Bye.
Thanks a lot. I'm closing now.